Let's go! 1. Cobra head or adder head appearance. 2. Drooping lily sign. 3. Flower vase sign or handshake sign. 4. Spider leg sign. 5. Putty kidney. 6. Medullary sponge kidney. 7. Fish hook ureter. 8. IVP showing urinary lithiasis. 9. Maiden waist appearance. 10. Keyhole sign. 11. Christmas tree bladder. 12. Micturating cystourethrogram. 13. CT cystogram. 14. Retrograde urethrogram. 15. RCC, clear cell, oncocytoma, and angiomyolipoma. Thank you for watching.